You're selling your home, you're thinking of selling your home, do this. You're going to be interviewing real estate agents for the job of selling your home. Getting the honest truth out of them is critical because you don't know when they come in if they're just trying to get a listing or they're telling you the truth. And there's a big difference. So, say these 3 words. Tell me the truth. Okay, those are 4 words. Tell me the truth. Does my house smell? Do you see any issues with it? Honestly, what do you think the home will actually sell for? I know you want to try to get me a high price, Mr. Agent, but what do you think it will really sell for? In my last 34 years of doing business and dealing with over 2,000 home sellers, over $2 billion in sales, I spent more time cleaning up the messes that agents just miscommunicated to their sellers, and it caused them to make the wrong decision that would have been the right time. And so demanding that truth up front so you can start off on the right track is critical to maximizing your sales price. Watch out for the truth. It's what you really need.